Hi friends, I'm Samar Singhania. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox IQOO Z-Flip 5G smartphone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So let's start. At the very first step, we must look around the box. This side, I removed the seal, IQOO, yellow color branding, black box, and this side, yellow lining, the different box from other phones. The seal is removed, and this side, IQOO Z3 5G badging. And so let's open box, diagonal. Here it is, yellow color box again. Let's see what's inside. Yeah, the case and type C cable, some ejection tool and quick user guide. Let's put these things aside and head towards our smartphone. So there's the device. Put this side and see what's deeper inside. Stickers and the huge and heavy charger. It has the Vivo branding and fast charger, 56 watt. It's a very rare case. Very few phones have got this ability. So let's look around the device now. Remove this strap. Here's the first look. The scratch card is already installed. This side nothing. This side speaker grill, type C port, microphone, headphone jack, and this side power button has an integrated fingerprint sensor and the volume rocker, and this side secondary mic and SIM tray, and at the back the multicolor design, very smooth, very clean look. In case of design, the overall it's got 10 on 10 marks. And the camera, it has triple camera setup. One is 64 megapixel, second is 8 megapixel, and third is 2 megapixel. I've already inserted two SIMs in this and already booted the device before. Let's switch on the device. IQOO Z5G powered by Android. It says the operating system FunTouch OS. It's based on Android 11. It has fast refresh rate 120 Hz and touch sampling at 180 Hz. As you look, the touch response is very smooth and the speed is also very fast. It has a fast processor. It's opening the apps very fast. Let's go in the settings and see some software information about phone. FunTouch OS, processor 2.8 GHz, Snapdragon 768, octa-core, RAM 6 GB and plus extended RAM 2 GB. That will equal to 8 GB. Android version 11, phone storage 128 GB, and Android version 11. As you can see, I hope this will get Android 12 as soon as possible. Let's open the camera of this phone. So this is the front camera, HDR mode, capture, capture an image from a back camera. It can zoom 10x. It's preview, very clear, 64 megapixel, no doubt. Video, 4K 30 fps video supported, slow motion and much more. Pro mode, time lapse, panorama, live photo, 64 megapixel mode, slow mo, AR stickers, document. It has a very good night mode also. Feature rich camera software, front video, front has also worth 19,990. Yeah, I got this phone in 19,990 rupees from the Amazon. The link is in description if you also want to buy this phone. Let's try face lock. Let me set up this first. Done. Very fast. Very good. Okay, let me check. Open. As you see, it's very fast. Let me show you again. Only in under a second only. So it has no issue about it. Again, done. Let's see how it looks with a back case. The back case is little. Yeah, done. This is the look with the back case. And the scratch card is also inserted already from the manufacturing after. Let me show you the video viewing experience in YouTube. subscribing my channel. Like the video, share the video, comment what you want to see in the next video. I'll see you in the next video.